Hey y'all, it's Grace at LivingWell Realty, and I am back here in Sandbrock Ranch in Aubrey, Texas to check up on this beautiful house right behind me. As a reminder, this one is built by Highland Homes. It's Plan 297 with elevation D, and it's beautiful. We probably have one more video, so let's go take a look at the progress. And if you are watching this wanting to buy or build, I would love to help. Reach out to me. Let's go see this house. As I mentioned, we probably will just do one more video after this one. So I'm going to try to take my time, show you all of these fun design elements, because this is where it gets so fun to see where all of those design selections start to come to fruition. So let's start. We have our landscaping. This is a 70-foot product, so it's the biggest one here in Sandbrock Ranch and definitely bigger than most neighborhoods that you see around here. So that means the width is 70 feet. So you do get a bit more upgraded landscaping because of that. And I also realized that I haven't been showing y'all the garage, so I apologize about that. Let's take a look here. So we have a 3-car garage, and this is a tandem. So these 2 bays are stacked, and then we have an extra little storage space at the very end as well. So not a ton to see. That's why I typically don't come out here, but I do apologize. I should have been out here a little sooner. They are adding some trim. This little baseboard right here at the bottom that you'll see. And our landscaping looks great. We're finally getting some cooler weather, so hopefully none of it dies before they move in. And then these beautiful carriage lights out front. And this is the Bilco Phoenix brick. So it's actually not a painted brick, it's a clay. And it's a really pretty one. They did a light mortar with it. So as you can see, it looks like a white house, but it's not painted, easier maintenance. And the reason that we actually didn't do a white painted brick is because 2 houses down, they have white painted. So there are neighborhood regulations about how far houses have to be apart. So the floors are covered up, but I will pull up some of the cardboard to show y'all. So let me take my shoes off here. So the flooring is the biggest thing to show y'all. So let's hop over here into the study at the front of the house. We are still waiting for the glass doors here. But this whole space has the hardwoods. And then they are here touching up the paint right now. And then off of the entryway is our formal dining. Lots of windows and natural light. Super pretty light fixture. This is the Premier Noir selection. So that's the lighting package that they chose. So it was a bit of an upgrade, but it's so pretty. And then look at this carpet for the stairs. So this one, they did a pattern here and then solid upstairs. This is a very upgraded carpet. It's super pretty, feels very high end. We went back and forth for a long time about whether to do hardwoods or carpet. Hardwoods are just one of the most expensive things. So definitely keep that in mind if you are wanting to build a home. In here, under the stair storage, we also have carpet. Similar one, it doesn't have the pattern, it's just gray, but really pretty, also upgraded. And then our fireplace is coming along. So that's right here. Very pretty. So this mantle is actually going to come down on the sides. So we're just waiting on that. And then we have beams up here. So we are just waiting for our beams as well. And then that floor plug, I don't know if y'all remember from a while back, we had moved to the center of the room. So that's what that hole right there is. And then here is our kitchen. Super pretty. I love the color combination that they chose. This is where our appliances will be. And then we have a mud bench right here. So this door leads out to the garage. Appliances will be one of the next things that we get. And then these countertops are the same that they use for the backsplash. So you can see it's that seamless look. I know they're covered up right now, but it's gonna be so pretty. And that's why I wanna come back for one more video to show y'all what that looks like. We do have our trash pull out right here, and then waiting for dishwasher on the other side. They also went with gold faucet in here, which looks really pretty with the blue. So we're gonna pop back here. We have the laundry room. Laundry is here, so we have the dark floors, dark countertops, contrasted with the white cabinets. And then our sink, this was covered last time I was here, so you can see we're just waiting on the faucet. This is the guest bedroom that's downstairs. So different from the primary. I'll show you that in a minute. And then right in here is the ensuite bathroom. So this is a full bath. We're just waiting on the countertop and then the sink in here. And then that same upgraded carpet is in this room. They do have it covered for paint, but it looks really pretty. All right, back here is our primary suite. So not a ton to see. The floors they do have, which let me see if I can, they have it pretty taped down, but I'll see if I can give you all a peek. So that right there is your floor. So it's a darker wood, which looks really pretty. Feels very homey. I like the darker tones. And then we have the bump out here, looking out into your backyard. Here is that primary bathroom. So the tub has been installed, which is great, as well as your faucet. So we have the gold in here. And then we added these cabinets on the sides as well. Same on this side. Makeup counter. And then your closet tucked back there. All right, so let's head upstairs. I'll give y'all a look at the carpet up there. Hopefully I can get through. Yeah, can I? Thank you. Thank you. All right. So let's peek up here and take a look at your carpet. That is in progress right here, but we have that darker gray. It's that same one that I showed you before it was covered up downstairs. They're covering it right now to paint. And then we have that half bath up here, which is so nice so people up here won't have to go through the bedrooms. Here they're finishing that carpet. And so all of this is that same upgraded carpet, which looks really nice. Here is our media room, which this one is going to be a different color. So this one's going to be that darker gray that we picked out. Very pretty, feels like a nice theater. We have our game room. As well as 2 bedrooms, each with an ensuite up here. So here's one of them. Look at the closet. And then hardware is something else that we are waiting on. So that will be coming soon. Hardware, mirrors, the rest of the faucets. And then appliances. And we are pretty close. We're about 2 months out from closing. So we're getting kind of those final things done. And then they'll come through and do that punch list. So that is where the construction manager is going to walk the house, find anything that is missing or needs to be fixed, and he's going to make a physical list of all of those items. It's called a punch list because back in the day, they used to physically punch out those items as they checked them off the list and got them done. With technology, we don't do that anymore, but still call it a punch list. So if you've ever been curious about that term, that's where it comes from. Here is our fourth and final bedroom. Look at the closet. We have that same carpet and it feels so nice. I love this carpet. If you can tell, it's not shaggy. So it's kind of a flat carpet. Upgraded, I can't remember which level, but it was an upgraded one and feels really nice. I think they'll be happy with this selection. And then our final bathroom, just about done. Just need a mirror, some light bulbs, and then they'll do some touch-ups. All right, y'all, that is it for this one. As I mentioned, I'll come back through one more time to get one final video, but we are very close to completion on this one.